What's up everybody, welcome back to Malabar Toy, where baby is #1 priority, and today we're going to put to the test 7 vintage kitchen gadgets. Let's see what I got this time. I got here pickle tones. This one is plastic one and very strange. Let's see if it actually works on pickles. Let's say you need to take a pickle out. How do you even do this? I have no idea. Is there instruction? Not really, but oh, there you go. Wow, no way, that actually works. That is funny. So then you take it out. Another one, you kind of have to push it too. Sometimes it pops it too, but it works. Let's try it on the last one right here. You know what, let me try the other side, if it's softer. Nope, it's not. Sometimes it's pocket too, but first time it did work. Pretty cool. What about on the smaller pickles? Does it work? No way, it actually works. Can you believe this? Get another one. You know what? This side actually works a little bit better. Let's see if it works really good on a smaller. Works even better on this side as well. Pop it too. Works every time really easily. Wow, that is a very strange design for pickles. But I can't complain because it works every time without poking them, especially with the small ones. There you go, vintage pickle fork, one of a kind. Love it. For the next gadget, I got here pretty old cheese slicer. Look at this box. This side here a cutting board with a metal slider, boom, and this side here a cutter. So this is mostly for the smaller pieces of cheese, that's for sure. You see how it's just too tall. But that's okay, I have a smaller piece of cheese right here. Boom. Let's see how it works. Hold it down. You know what? I think it's best if I lay it down like this and then cut it. I love that. Then I can push it forward. This is pretty satisfying. Oh, too thin. Does it cut all the way? Almost, but not really. At the end you'll have to break it off. So no wonder this is a vintage kitchen gadget. Doesn't work anymore as much. You see how every time I'm cutting it, it doesn't cut all the way. Yeah, they definitely improved that gadget. I have put to the test newer in that design. Cheese slicer, you don't have to do that lifting and it cuts all the way. But still, very unique design. That's now we know how they developed it first. That kind of cheese gadget. Pretty awesome. For the next gadget, I got here microwave coffee brewer, 1 cup. Let's open it up and put it to the test. Looks like one of those tea makers. It slides out all the way like that. And I guess I just grab coffee. Just like that. Depends how much you wish to add coffee. Then I slide it back in. I never seen a microwave coffee maker like that before. It looks like it locked pretty good. There's actually a very clear explanation how to use it. Fill up the mug with water, stick it into the water, and then we're going to place it in the microwave for 2 to 3 minutes, but do not let the water boil or bubble. So that's what we're gonna do, probably like 3 minutes. Will be no problem. Actually 2 minutes was plenty. And check this out. That coffee actually turning black. Very nice. And then they say just stir it up. Oh no, it opened and everything got dumped out. So maybe do it next time very carefully. For me so far it was a little bit of a fail. For the next gadget, I got here pretty vintage lemon squeezer. Let's see what it's all about. Boom. Wow, that's stiff. No way, did I just break it? Maybe not. Okay, it doesn't look like it's broken, but it feels broken. Okay, the only description is picture right here. I guess I put it right here and just squeeze it. Oh, nice. Mess free for sure. Very nice. Squeezed a lot of lemon. Let me try this one more time. Put a little slice in and then squeeze it. Wow, look how much lemon came out. Boom. And one more time, just to see what it looks like with the bigger piece. Definitely coming out a lot of lemon juice, and it actually works. It's not too broken. For the next vintage gadget, I got here coffee helper. Let's see what it's all about. A little scoop on this side, a little plastic grabber on this side. Why do you need plastic grabber? Because this stuff kind of stuck together every time. So that way you can just, I don't know. I thought it would help. Oh, there you go. Now you can grab one. Let's try this again. Hugo, no. Let's try this again. Maybe I'm supposed to do it like this. You know what? That way works a bit better. Every time. Nice. You know what? It'd probably be easier to just grab it with one finger like that. Easy, easy, easy. Well, never mind. This one actually pulled out two of them. But with this thing, it works, but not so great that I thought it'd be amazing. There you go. It definitely helps. Okay, let's try to put one in a teapot. Nice. Stick it in and then grab the coffee, and there's a measuring spoon at the same time. It's a really good idea, but would I use it? Probably never again. I did see there's exact similar coffee helpers that have been reproduced and new. I wonder if they work. For the next gadget, I got here peel garlic instantly. Garlic stripper. Let's open it up. Simple instruction right here. Piece of rubber shape of an onion. My onion is huge. Oh wait, it says garlic, not onion. Okay, it says separate the cloves from the head, but the hardest part is peeling them right here. So I'm gonna put only a couple at the same time. I'm gonna flip it over and roll it like this. You know what? Maybe I should do even less. Few at the same time. Flip it over and then roll it up and down. Wow, no way. One peeled. Almost. Yeah, for sure. That one is rotten. Wow, it flies out of the shelf. You know what? This vintage one works really good. And it's not slipping on me. Very awesome. A big garlic came off really easily. Another piece right here. That's the best garlic peeler ever. Not onion peeler, what I said at first. Boom. Love it. That works really well. I have put to the test a lot of onion peelers and not all of them work that good. That one is definitely works really good. Look at that. Big pieces. And very simple. I got here very strange orange peeler. Does not tell me the date. Made in China. Very simple packaging. But self-explanatory, there is a two-step instruction. So we got a knife on one side right here and a knife right here. So I guess you'd get an orange and go like that all the way through. Okay, one more time right here. All the way around. Nice. Then I guess I could use this knife to pry it open, the peel. Oops, too deep. Nice. Once we pry it open, I guess we go like that. That actually works pretty good. Nice. You know what? It does make it easier a little bit to peel it, the orange. Mess free for sure. Look at that. And one more right here. There you go. I'd say that's a not bad gadget. As you can see, it works not too bad. Did kind of get messed up at the end. Maybe I should use this to take off that orange part. Boom. Definitely very unique vintage peeler. I never seen anything like that they make nowadays. Well guys, that's pretty much it. Let me know in comments below which gadget was your favorite. Don't forget the thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you next time.